got the agitator out with the 1/7/16 bolt there, and you could see the oil on top of that hub, and it was stripped. You smell it, that gear oil. Yep, time for a gear case. Maytag, 10-year warranty. Yeah, we got in this Maytag and you could smell the oil from inside the tub. The hub was bad, but I got the agitator out and you can see the oil slinging, so it's gonna have to have a gear case. So let's change a gear case. And don't forget to hit the like button, the thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to 1,000, baby. We got our top up, we're gonna unclip the cap. Alright, so we're gonna need 5/16 Phillips head, 1/2 inch, and I can't remember what this nut is, but that's why we got the crescent wrench. So here we go. Alright, 5/16. Let's go ahead and get the pulley nut. Out. Pulley. For the actuator. Grab a hold of it, twist it, pull it down, twist the capacitor, pull it down, pull the tabs, unplug the motor. Come on. All right. Hammer time. Hammer time. All right. Motor. Come on. There we go. Whoop, I guess I should have zipped it. Too good. Okay, let's do the swell jibs first. Twist the capacitor on, wires, spring, clutch. Like Plug in the lights, plug in the motor, and then actuator. Green Phillips. There it is. Found it. A little bit more bump. And then the cover. And that's it. For down here, see the movement in that top shaft, but look at all the boogered up splines too. So we gonna clean some of this nasty oil out of here. Some degreaser. Check your pockets, folks. All that change gets down into these holes and clogs it up. Causes a drain issue. But thanks for the tip. That's better. Alright, so now that the tub and the wash plate's all cleaned up, I'm just going to slap the tub back in there and put the cap on. And then next we'll put a new hub on. I like to do a crisscross pattern, kind of like you would when you were putting on a tire on a vehicle. So it sucks the tub up to the new hub. And don't forget to put the little U clip in there. I've done it before. Recalibrate. Boop. No more stank. All right, thank y'all for watching. Hit that like and subscribe to the channel. On our way to $1,000, baby. Thanks, have a great day.